But I do remember that New Britain at that time had a lot of Polish students, you know, resident, and they were big. They all went on to Fordham football team and the thing. And I remember one time, I think it was I was a junior in high school, where one of them picked me up and put me against the wall. And I mean, I was not light at the time, but he was heavy. And he didn't do anything, but it was, you know, come on, what are you doing, you know? And so it was one of those things where it could happen, you know, and but by and large, the anti-Semitic incidents were not too bad.